On this, the day of Thanksgiving, when you're with your family and friends and binging on turkey and gravy and stuffing, all I ask is you remember the lessons of Thanksgiving past. Oh, like peace on earth and goodwill towards men? Oh, no, gosh, no. What I meant was, if you see some starving pilgrims in the woods, it might be best just to let them be.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we're going to take a look at Supreme's Week 14 drop list. We finally got the whole list. Not so much going on there for sure. Either way, I'm going to walk you guys through what items I think you should pick up or at least should take a look at for this week. Before we get started, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. It is Thanksgiving right now, so I hope that you guys have had or are having or in the middle of having or maybe leftovers from your Thanksgiving Day feast. And I'd be totally fine if you just turned on my channel and let that tryptophan coma set in. You can just go through at least 100 videos or so. Just pass out on the couch. Let the videos go through. The analytics don't know that you're sleeping. I mean, come on. And of course, we are super close to that 500 subscriber giveaway. So if you want to be in the running for that $200 Hype Beast mystery box, then just make sure you subscribe below and pay attention for the 500 subscriber video that should be on the way in the next few weeks. But you're not here for any of that, are you? You're here to know what the top 5 items of the week are, so let's get into it. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not the best week in the world. When a bag of Skittles is the highlight of the week, it's not going to be a good one. I'm gonna tell you that right off the bat. So for my number 5 item of the week, I'm going to throw these Skittles racing gloves in. Yeah, I know. The reason I'm going to put these here at number 5 is because these are US, Japan only. So EU boys are losing out on Skittles all the way through. I'm not sure why Skittles is so against going to the EU. I'm sorry you guys aren't going to get your Skittles on. I know you're going to be really heartbroken over that. That being said, any of these Skittles items are technically in play just because they're only going to be available in the US and in Japan. Buy a bunch of those Skittles items and then just go fly over to Europe and start hawking them on the corner because they can't get them over there right now.
I am the one.
Alright, for my number 4 item of the week, I'm going to throw these JBL speakers. Yeah, that's right. These are like $6,000, $7,000 probably after taxes and fees. But these are high-end, top-of-the-line speakers. These could easily be used in professional environments, so DJs or whoever needs a set of speakers on a stage. Like, these are professional quality speakers. That's why they're so expensive. I'm very confident that there won't be very many of these, so people that want them will pay for them as well because they're not worried about, oh, these speakers are $6,000. They're used to it. They spend a lot of money on equipment. It's a write-off anyways. I could see these being popular for like shops or anything else like that as well. I'm pretty sure most of you aren't even thinking about buying these, but if you do buy these with resale in mind, I would be trying to get rid of them right away, if not already having somebody to sell them to right away. So for my number 3 item, I'm going to go with these 2 hats. First off, this Skittles beanie, of course, we got to throw that in there. That's going to be the cheapest price point of the Skittles collaboration. It's a fun little beanie, and honestly, it's the first time that I'm ever going to say the red one and the white one look the best because they just go with the colors. It just looks the best in the red and the white. Are these going to flip or resell? I doubt it. Probably not. I would look at these as fun little personals, maybe even stocking stuffers for that Supreme person that you know, and the holidays are coming up. And then I have this Gore-Tex Tech Camp Cap. Specifically, those 2 plaid colorways are really sticking out to me. That yellow one is really talking to me too, and I'm not sure if I 100% like it or not yet, but it definitely sticks out in that group. So if I do end up grabbing something this week, one of these 2 plaid camp caps may end up in a cart of mine. And for my number 2 item of the week, it's going to be the Vans. That's right. Specifically, I'm focused on the old school Vans. I'm not really into the half caps at all, but I do believe all of the shoes will sell out pretty quickly. I wouldn't really be buying these shoes if you had the intention to resell them. I just don't think that they're going to flip. They'll definitely sell out, like I said, right away. All the shoes generally do. Of these colorways, though, they're pretty rough. Again, that watermelon colorway one, the red and the green, it kind of has like a strawberry cough vibe to it a little bit. That's the one that's calling to me out of this group. The blue one is probably the most wearable of the 3. And then the pink one I'm not a big fan of. I don't like that little extra yellow or orange strip in the middle of it. I don't know what they did that for. It should have just been like white or matched the actual shoe. Either way, if you want any of these shoes, you're going to have to be really fast to get them because of this guy. Alright folks, and the number one item, you guessed it, it is a bag of candy! Yes, that's right, the number one item this week is gonna be a bag of Skittles. It's the item that people have been talking about for most of this season as soon as they announced a Skittles collaboration. And I bet that every one of you guys out there wants to have your own little bag of Supreme Skittles anyways. Because I believe there's going to be a huge demand for these, I do think that there's going to be some potential profit in these, but only right away. So like if you can go in store, assuming they sell these in store, and get a bunch of them, I think that you can make a fair amount of profit on them right away, like on eBay or something like that. I think they're going to be somewhere around $2 a pack, or at least that's what they're saying. So how much is somebody willing to pay for a pack of Supreme Skittles? Obviously, they're buying it for the aesthetic value, not because they want to eat the Skittles in the bag. They just probably want the bag to have. So if you think of it in terms of a decoration, you might be able to get like 10 bucks for it if you put it up. Yes, it's stupid to pay $10 for a bag of candy, but at the end of the day, it's just $10. If you really want it, you'll pay $10 for it, or $20 for it maybe. There's definitely going to be a limit to how much it can make. Sadly though, I do think that this item has the highest return on investment of all the items that are coming out this week, so that is why I made it number one.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a great day with your family. You have gravy all over your face and turkey, and you're just passed out from tryptophan coma. I might do a live stream later today, depending on whether I am passed out or not. I hope you can join me for that. Otherwise, have a great day, and I will see you next video.